guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today's video is all about how I plan my month. Yes guys, I like to keep things at my work organized and I try to keep them as decluttered as possible by planning everything beforehand. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how you too can plan your month and keep things organized so that you can stay focused throughout the month and can have better results at work. So, if you wanna know my tips and tricks at staying organized throughout the month, then watch this video till the end. I start my planning process by analyzing my previous month. I answer few really important questions to retrospect my last month. I answer questions like what went well in my last month, what went wrong in the last month, what were my achievements in the last month, what were the things that I should be doing more this month, and what were the things that I should be doing less this month. And finally, I rate the complete last month for me in terms of work and personal life. I find this whole process to be very therapeutic and I really enjoy planning my month beforehand. Planning gives me a better visibility of my month and it helps me stay on track. Then I finally move on to planning of this month. I start off by putting down all my goals for this month. My goals usually revolve around my business. Goals like YouTube uploads, YouTube subs, Insta uploads, followers, etc. I divide my business goals usually in three categories. That is my monthly goals for YouTube, monthly goals for my Flavors to Savor Instagram handle, and monthly goals for the Kritika Factor Instagram handle. These goals tend to give me motivation for the month and makes me work harder towards them. Later, I also make sure to jot down few personal goals for the month. These goals are related to my physical and mental health, my personal development, etc. We usually tend to ignore our health, but that should definitely not be the case. And then I put down all the major tasks that need to be completed this month. Tasks like any campaigns, any business commitments, or any projects that need to be completed this month on an urgent basis or at an important level. Now that I have already decided upon how many Insta, YouTube, and blog uploads I am targeting for this month, I move on to planning my content for the month. In this calendar, I make sure to put down or mark all the days when my blogs need to go up. This calendar basically gives me a really nice visibility of throughout the month, and I also use the same calendar to mark all the days when my YouTube videos need to go up. I jot down all the video ideas according to the dates when they need to go up in this printable calendar. Content planning takes a lot of my time and I take it really seriously. I plan all my content beforehand so that I don't have to waste a lot of time later on in the middle of the month thinking about video ideas and everything. This whole process of content planning has really helped me stay up on my game of putting out content constantly on all my platforms. Here I'm using this pink color highlighter to mark all my blog dates and the yellow highlighter for my YouTube video dates. This helps me distinguish between my blog dates and YouTube dates. I try to stay on track with my uploading schedule as much as possible. I keep this printable on my desk so it's always in front of my eyes and helps me to stay on track of my content. I find this printable very handy. It can be used for various different purposes. So if you are someone who would want to grab this printable for yourself, the link for the printable printable is in the description box below, and it's absolutely free. I use this for my content planning, but it can be used for various different purposes by students, housewives, entrepreneurs, or the professionals. So get your free printables from the description box below. On the remaining calendar printables, I make sure to upload my Instagram schedule and the posting ideas that I have based upon the dates and everything else. I'm not discussing my complete content planning strategy over here. If you want to know my complete strategy on how I plan and execute my content, then please let me know in the comments down below. Moving on, I prepare a few habit trackers for me. Habit tracker is a page where I track my different habits throughout the month, like reading a book, meditating, exercising, drinking water, etc. You could be tracking your different habits. You just have to make calendars of this sort, and you have to mark each day when you complete that habit, and that way you'll have a complete view of the whole month where you can see on how regular you were to follow all these habits. This will really help you add on some good habits in your daily schedule. Later on, based on my monthly goals and tasks, I prepare my weekly to-do lists and daily task lists. This way, I plan all of my month and try to stay organized throughout the month. And so, guys, this is how I plan my month and stay organized with it. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Do give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments down below if you would want me to make more such videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.